What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a classic hoagie. This ain't Subway, baby. This is my way. So let's hit the highway. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Damn. Yes. The classic hoagie, baby. Now, some people will call this a club. Some people will call it a grinder. Some people will call it a submarine sandwich. I don't give a shit what you call it. I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, the thing about this, and you're saying to yourself already, Black Owl, you know, you're being kind of lazy. You're supposed to be cooking with Black Owl. Ain't no cooking involved in a submarine sandwich. I know that shit. I'm tired. Give me a break, boy. And sometimes you're going to be tired, too, and you're going to want a break. And this is a good damn meal. When you serve somebody this, they're gonna be like, damn, that was filling and delicious. They won't give a shit if you cooked or not. And that's what we want, baby. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. So, let's go ahead and first things first, we're gonna get our bread. Now this here is, it says white sub rolls. And this is from Walmart. Now they had wheat. I chose white because I'm the only person in my house that likes wheat. That's just the way it is. Just sad to say, but you know, it is what it is. Look, I ain't gonna argue. Ain't shit. You can't catch me arguing with shit. Not around here. I'm gonna drink my beer and stay away. So, we've got our bread. We're going to take a knife, a good sharp knife, because if you get a dull knife, you're gonna tear the shit out of the bread. And it's gonna be nasty, baby, and you don't want that stuff. So, take your sub, and I want you to cut it right down the middle like this, yeah. Now, a trick I learned, because your old boy Black Owl, I used to work at Subway, and when you cut the bread, you kind of want to angle that knife. Because when you cut, you're always going to cut a little deeper than you thought you were going to cut. So angle that shit and it'll keep you right on track, baby. Right on track, baby. Like old Dale Earnhardt. So, got that done. Let's get our meats. We got more meats than Arby's, baby. And they taste better too. So, I like to start with a little turkey base. Now, you can put as little or as much as you want on here. Me, I'm going to pile it high to the sky because I know I'm gonna be hungry tonight. I've been working all day, I've been drinking some beers, and I want some sandwich. Now, this shit like I'm doing now on me might shred on you, but it's gonna shred in your mouth and in your gut anyway, so don't worry about it, baby. Put you some turkey down. Ooh, yes. I can smell that turkey too. It smells good. Got a little oven roasted flavor. And you can, you know, this meat that I'm using today, it's a little more expensive than I would like to get, but it just tastes so damn good that I can't go back to my old ways of the 99-cent shit. So, well, ham, on mine I use a little less ham than everything else, but like I said, that's all the preference, baby. You making it, you make it how you want it, because that's the best part about it. Put that other hand, actually we're going to give this hand to the dog. Enjoy, baby, because you've been good, Woochie. Last but not least, the roast beast. This is good shit. But this is the heaviest of the meats that we have, so you may want to go a little lighter on this too. Me? No, I want a lot of it. Roast beef is one of my favorite things, baby. I could sit, and I say I could, but I will. I can sit with this shit and a pack of chips and sit here and make little tacos and drink beer all night, and then everybody wakes up and goes, what happened to all the meat? I don't know. Shit. Must have been a meat burger. So, we got our meat on there. Looking good. Let's start with our veggies. We're going to put a little lettuce on here today to make us feel fancy. Now, you can use some other vegetables. You can put on some onions, maybe some tomatoes. I just don't have any of that shit today. I went to the store. I was running because I wanted my beer. I wanted to get back to the house. Tired, boy. I don't want to fuck around in the stove. So I came home, and this is what we're going to do it today. But like I say, do it whichever way you want to. Got a little lettuce on there. Let's get us some pickles on there. Just got a pickle. Just one or two or three. Right down the middle for me. Good shit. And last, actually, I'm about to skip a step. Look at me, fucking up. Excuse me. The Swiss, baby. We got us some Swiss cheese, and like I say, you know it's Swiss when it's got the bullet holes in it. Damn, where you been? Stay safe, baby. Tear it in half, and it doesn't have to be perfect because neither are we. Hear it again. I like the cheese. It makes me not want to poop. So, put that shit back over here. And, I'm sorry. I cracked myself up on that one. Damn. That was terrible. We got cheese, we got pickles, we got lettuce. Mayonnaise. Once again, you ain't got to, but I am. And not too much, not too much. Because you don't want that some bitch sopping, boy. You don't want it dripping all down your clothes and all kind of shit. Ain't nobody gonna come lick it off, are they? Well, they might, but they ain't here. I gotta go do laundry. And a little spicy mustard too. Now, once again, you can get regular mustard, you can get honey mustard, you can get Dijon mustard. I don't give a damn. But what I do give a damn about this is, look at that big beefy boy. Let's stand back and admire this beautiful submarine sandwich, original hoagie sandwich, whatever the fuck you want to call it. We about to eat it, and I'm about to eat it, and you about to watch. Enjoy that shit, baby. Enjoy the view. All right, baby, the time has come. The classic hoagie is done, and I'm having the first bite just for me, baby. Pick that big old bad boy up right there. That's the good stuff, baby. Layers of flavor. Some bitch make me happier than Happy Gilmore, baby. Ooh! Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on this episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time, baby. Peace.